relax the jaw. Good. She's got the same issue around her C1, C2 and the right temporomandibular joint, and there seems to be a tension that's formed around that area. Now, we did adjust that last time, and it's on video as well, and then we found the same pattern in the lower back and in the upper back as well. Kathy is, again, quite a well-practiced Ashtangi yogi. She already has quite a strong mobile body, but these restrictions probably come from a long way back. And that's what I'm trying to correct so that you can be a little more functional in your yoga. Okay, shall we start? Just relax there. Good, nice and easy. Relax the jaw. Good. There we go. Okay, so it's just a little nudge just to free it up nicely around the top. There we go. Good. That's perfect. Okay. And in again. And out. Good. And then we're just going to move it a little more, okay? I'm going to use your head a little. Let me roll it over. That's it there. Good. 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 And back. So this time I'm going to ask you to hold your elbows nice and firm so that your arms don't slip, all right? Mm-hmm. And I'm just going to light little adjustment here. Breathe in and out. There we go. Look out. Good. That's good. Okay, and then one more. There we go. Got you. There we go.
So I saw Stavros about 9 months ago. He got a tremendous crack out of my jaw, I think, and my upper vertebrae. I did not see a chiropractor since, but now, so really I came today for a bit of a checkup. I definitely feel more space between my ears and my shoulders, and I definitely feel that my shoulders on their own are back and down without me having to really do anything, which I spend most of my life trying to keep my shoulders back and down.
So really, I think what happens is the moment you give an adjustment like that, it switches the core back on. And we're talking about the different cores around the body. One solid adjustment into the primary area, and you'll find that the first thing people say is they feel lighter and they're carrying their body correctly. Mm-hmm. And that, is exactly what I've heard from almost everybody here today.
Yeah,
so
I definitely feel more grounded in my feet and feel my core more, for sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.